We have 2004 Chevy Impala. Customer came in with a couple issues. One, the radio doesn't work. We are checking that.
And also his blinker
Two,
doesn't work. It's flashing fast.
so this light is flashing fast.
No parking light.
And also,
And
he said the high beam doesn't work.
Dashboard.
Low beam does work, but high beam doesn't work. And also,
let's find out why it's doing this. So
inside,
indication lights,
as you can see, instant cluster, those blinker light stays
when
lit.
you start the car, it stays
doesn't do
lit
anything.
like that all the time. So
It flashes both sides at the same time.
It's flashing both
Sometimes
sides
they don't
like
do
that.
anything.
And outside,
the high beam doesn't
both
work.
sides flashing fast as well.
It just came back on, but high beam doesn't work, he said. And low beam always work. Blinker doesn't work.
Trouble is, as you can
Let's
see,
find out what it is.
flashing fast.
To get two headlights out, it's very simple. I wish everybody's doing the same thing.
Techniques.
You see two white plastics,
clips back
one on each side. You pull them up,
and
pull it out like this.
And it comes out. That release the
once you have that out,
for the headlights. And once
the entire headlight housing comes out like this. Now on the back of it, I have it on the driver's side. I'm going to show you.
Why can't everybody do the same thing? All right, we already have a driver's side out.
So this is the back of the headlights. This is the corner turn signal parking light. There are three wires here. Black wire, white, red,
amber light. You just twist it
white, yellow. Those are the parking and turn signal here. The black wire should be ground. So let's check the ground.
Wire is the ground. And let's check to see if there's a ground on that black wire.
So we're just going to temporarily
razor blade to cut through the
black wire
and touch the copper wire
to see if we have a ground.
And my test lights show ground.
11.6. Now I want you to shoot ground first. Okay, see this light came on. Now once you do that, in here, that works, and light disappears. If I do, wait, turn the ignition. So as you can see, once you shoot the ground pulse to it, turn signal does work. So it's missing a ground pulse. So we know this ground is missing. That ground is on this main headlight connection here. There is a black wire also, and that is the ground wire. That also is 11 volt. Once you shoot ground to it, light comes on. So this wire is kind of common issue on this car. The ground here is missing. So what we're going to do is, rather than trace all this cable from left to right to the ground here, we're just going to simply ground from here over to this metal right here. That's also ground. But it's somewhere along the line from here over to that side is the corrosion buildup, like these, and wires are cut. So don't go crazy looking for where the cut is. Just simply ground this wire over to the ground signal right here, which is a bolt right here. Okay, it works. So we put a ground right here to that black wire I showed you in the back of the plug. Once you're done that, the high beam works, blinker works, no more indication on the dashboard, is it? That works.